The journey of ʻāina-based learning begins with open minds and open spaces, where lessons are not only found in written books, but on the landscapes we wander, and through names of places we find wonder, where the land is our classroom and community is our teacher. True discovery is not about finding new places, it's finding ourselves within them, and realizing that the land's story is also our own. A story of resilience, of belonging, and of life enduring through generations. On this journey, students walk across fields of lava, along shorelines, and through native forests, learning that conservation is not just a science, but a relationship, a way of caring for what cares for us. And with each step, they come to understand that caring for the land is caring for the future. Led by the passions of conservationists, educators, and cultural practitioners, students find their own way forward and begin to see their future selves in this work. As scientists, as protectors, as the next generation of Kanaka Huamalama ʻāina. As Native Hawaiians, these Haumana already have an innate connection to this work. They grow on the same ʻāina as the native species they now care for. So when they plant trees whose roots will outlive them, they plant something within themselves, seeds of responsibility and belonging. Just as native species thrive when their environments are cared for, learners thrive in spaces that nurture curiosity, connection, and growth. Healthy ecosystems and healthy learning spaces reflect one another, both full of knowledge and life. So when we enter those spaces, we step into a living exchange between learner and land, and commit to a promise to keep life and learning alive in all we do. Education and conservation are not separate worlds. They are parts of one living system, a network of people, places, and purpose, an ecosystem of learning. To strengthen our communities, we must feed each other just as ʻāina feeds us, with wisdom, with purpose, with life. As the journey leads Haumana to their summit of enlightenment, they rise above the clouds, lifted by ʻāina, by culture, by community. Their ascent is not measured in steps, but in understanding. And through this climb, they've come to embody Kilakila, standing tall and majestic, connected to who they're meant to be, to ʻāina, and to the mo'olelo that now lives within them. ʻēola ka ʻāina, ʻēola kākou.